silicon dioxide, the fancy name for sand. Also known as silica, this is a natural compound made of the Earth's two most abundant materials, silicon and oxygen. Silicon dioxide is most often recognized in the form of quartz. It's found naturally in water, plants, animals, and the Earth. The Earth's crust is 59% silica. It makes up more than 95% of known rocks on the planet. When you sit on a beach, it's silicon dioxide in the form of sand that gets between your toes. Basically, all this means that this plentiful compound, or sand, or dirt, or quartz, however you may choose to call it, finds its way everywhere, and that includes our pockets, the very nesting place of our prized new iPhone 13 series phones, some of them costing close to 2 lakh rupees in certain regions, or $2,500 if you like.
Today, we are thrilled to introduce our next generation of iPhone. Here it is.
Let's go. When the bass slide and that city lights up. Low high that lights up like
So can they coexist? Well, this year we seem to have the most advanced form of drop protection in the form of ceramic shield.
It's also incredibly durable with our exclusive ceramic shield front, tougher than any smartphone glass, and has industry-leading IP68 water resistance.
Sadly, this does nothing for protection against scratches. Sometime back I reported how the Apple Watch Series 7 scratches easily if used without a bumper or case, and it's the same with the iPhone 13 series, ceramic shield or not. If you use it without a screen protector, expect to pick up scratches like these in no time. And I'm not talking of any rugged usage, just simple everyday usage, and in this case the phone did not even spend any time outdoors. Now these are decidedly micro abrasions that are a result of the iPhone screen coming into contact with either sand or other objects whilst in the pocket, but they remain unsightly, and unfortunately even after putting a screen protector after the fact, these will still remain visible in certain cases, especially in the direct sun. Screen Rant has a good article on this subject, and they say that the iPhone 13 screen has a Mohs mineral hardness rating between 5 and 6, and just like any glass, it can be scratched by objects that measure at or above 6 Mohs. That means some gemstones can mark the face of an iPhone 13, as can a harder glass, such as the sapphire glass on the camera lens. Also, we often carry keys in our pockets, and if those inadvertently come into contact with the phone screen, even briefly, I can't imagine the outcome to be positive. So I suggest the first thing you do when you get any iPhone 13 series model is install a good quality screen protector. I have now installed the Spigen EZ Fit screen protector on this iPhone 13 Pro, and I've had a very good experience with these. They are easy to install, do not retain fingerprints, so have an effective anti-oleophobic coating, and are fairly inexpensive. Links in the description below if you're interested, and no, I'm not affiliated to them or to any other company, only recommending them based on my positive experience. I was more careful with my iPhone 13 Pro Max that I bought in September in London and had the Apple Store staff install a Belkin Ultra Glass screen protector in the store itself. That screen protector also offers excellent quality, although it does not come with a mold for installation, so may be trickier to align. Depending on where you're located, it may be priced better or worse than the Spigen. Again, links in the description below. It cost me £30 at the Apple Store, so around 3 times the cost of the Spigen ones here in India. Now, depending on where you live, there may be a fairer chance of the iPhone surviving without a screen protector whilst remaining free of scratches. But it's way easier and cheaper to replace a scratched or broken screen protector than it is to replace a phone screen, Apple Care Plus or not. Obviously, the warranty does not cover accidental damage, and the cost to replace an iPhone 13 screen ranges from $229 to $329 in the US depending on the model, and in India between 17 to 29,000 rupees. So, prudence dictates that applying a screen protector should be the first thing you should do when you get your new iPhone, even before you put a case on it. Speaking of cases, I recently reviewed the Ringkey Fusion Clear Matte case for the iPhone 13 Pro, and it is one of the better cases for the iPhone 13 series, although it doesn't offer MagSafe support or the premium feel of a leather case. Still, for showing off that new Sierra blue color or even the other classic colors, it is a good option. Links in the description. Well, I hope I was able to convince you to protect your shiny new iPhone straight away. Thanks for sticking by till the end, and please subscribe if you found this content useful. Also, do let me know in the comments below how your experience with this has been, either with or without a screen protector. I'm curious to know how widespread a problem this is. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one.